Good afternoon, friends. Today we will compare the Fanuc 31 and Sinumerik 840D G81 cycles. In the left side of the part, you can see the G81 parameters X, Y, RF, and K. X, Y is a hole position. Z is a different the distance from the point R to the bottom of the holes. R is the distance from the initial level to the point R level. F is the cutting feed rate. K is the number of repeats. Here you can see the G81 98 and G81 G99. In the G98, after the drilling operation, tool goes to its initial level, and in G99 after drilling operation, tool goes to the point R level, as you can see. Here I have mentioned some of the common program. In the N10 block, tool comes to the XY coordinate. Z100 is a gap between tool and components. M00 is an optional stop. In an N40 block, Z100. After that, RPM start with a 1000. G98. You can also mention the G instead of G98, Z99. That I have already explained. G81 is a Fanuc cycle. X, Y is a hole position. Z is a drilling depth. R is a initial level to the reference plane, distance from the base to the reference plane. This is the R value. F is the feed. In the next block, I have mentioned another coordinate of the holes. After completion of the G81 cycle, we close the G80 cancellation the cycles. After cancellation of cycle, we move our tools at the 100 level, 100 initial level, and M05 is a spindle stop. In the same way, in the right side of the part, I have mentioned G81 cycles, some of the parameter. RTP, RFP, SDIS, DP, and DPR. In RTP is a retraction plan absolute value. Here you can see the RTP. RF is a reference plane. Reference plane is this one. Safety clearance SDI is a safety clearance center without sign. This I mentioned. DP is a final drilling depth, and DPR is a final drilling depth relative to reference plane. In this block, I have mentioned the program N10, Z00, X100, Y100. This is a hole position. After that, RPM start with 500 and feed 30. M calling cycle 81. 50 is a RTB, is a retraction plan. 0 is the RFP, is a reference plan. This is RFP. 10 is a safety clearance. This is the distance from the tool point to the this face is called 10. After the blank, 0.5 I have mentioned. 0.5 is that if there is some material on this face, so I have just add the 0.5 value, just generate the impression of the hole to check the position of the hole. So I mentioned 0.5. This is X and Y is hole positions. This in the next hole position is X100 and Y100. After drilling, M call is a cancellation of cycle. Z00, Z100 is the tool safe positions, and M05 is a spindle stop. So today we have learned about the cycle 81 for the Fanuc and Siemens controller. In the next video, we will learn some different cycles. So share this video to your friend and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.